Want to create a cool zoom-through text effect in CapCut? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make it step by step. Let's dive in. First, you have to open CapCut application on your phone, then select New Project. Go to Library and search Black. Select Black Picture and then press Add. At the bottom menu, slide and find Aspect Ratio. Select 9:16 and press Done. Slide to the back and select Text and press Add Text. Type whatever you like. For this tutorial, I will use Vlog and then select Fonts. Choose any fonts you like and press Done. Increase the duration of the video, make it same as the duration of your intro video. The text also needs to be extended. Alright, now at the starting point you need to press Keyframe, and then go to Endpoint and press Keyframe again. Now you need to enlarge the text using your 2 fingers until white color covers the screen. To make the text move smoothly, you need press Graph button and select Cubic In. Now the text move more smooth. Now press Done. Increase the resolution to 1080 and export this video. First part is complete, now press Done. Select New Project and your intro video. Also select the video that we made before and press Add. Now go and select the second video and slide the button menu and find Overlay. Hold the overlay video and drag to starting point. Delete the extra part. You need to make sure the length of both videos is the same. Now slide the bottom menu and find Remove Background. Select Chroma Key. At center of your screen, you can see small dot. Move the dot until it enters the text. You can see the text become transparent. Now change the feather edge to 100. Press Done. Now, the tutorial of how to zoom through text intro is complete. You can save the video by pressing Export button and save to device. Let's see the results. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my suggestion, and if you want to learn how to make text follow an object, you can press Watch next. Thanks for watching.